Stop. Your savings account is quietly stealing your money right now. Most people have no idea it's happening. Inflation is at 4.2%, your bank pays you a pathetic 0.38%. That means every single dollar you have saved is losing real buying power as we speak. I'll show you the exact proof on screen in the next 30 seconds, and I'll reveal a simple fix that could put thousands back in your pocket this year. If you have even $5,000 sitting in a regular savings account, you are getting robbed. Keep watching. Your money is disappearing. Every second you wait, inflation keeps eating away at your savings. Let's see exactly how much money you're losing. Listen, you did everything right. You stopped buying unnecessary stuff, you built that emergency fund just like they told you to, you put your money in the bank for safety. But here's the brutal truth, that money is shrinking faster than ice cream on a hot day. Inflation isn't some abstract thing. Your groceries cost 4.2% more this year, rent costs more, gas costs more, everything costs more. And your bank, they're giving you crumbs. The average savings account pays only 0.38%. Think about that for a second. That $10,000 you worked so hard to save, after inflation, it's like having only $9,580 in yesterday's dollars. You lost $420 without spending a single dime. And here's the worst part, it's not your fault. Banks love this system. They borrow your money at a low cost, then they lend it out at much higher rates, and they reward you with pennies. It's a classic trap. Most people fall for it because they think it's just a savings account. That's a huge mistake. Sound familiar? Yeah, I've been there too. Here's the proof. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you have $10,000 in a regular savings account. That account pays only 0.38% interest. After 1 year, you earn about $38. Sounds okay at first. But now let's look at inflation. Inflation is running at 4.2%. That means your money buys less than it did a year ago. In real terms, your $10,000 loses about $420 in purchasing power. You earned $38, but you lost roughly $420 to inflation. Your net loss is more than $380. Ouch. Now watch this. Take that same $10,000, move it into a high-yield savings account. Many of these accounts are paying between 4.5% and 5% APY right now. Yes, they actually exist. At 4.5%, you could earn around $450 in interest. At 5%, you could earn around $500. Inflation still takes a bite, but this time, you come out ahead. Instead of losing purchasing power, your money grows. Your savings are finally working for you. I checked the rates today. Some top accounts are paying up to 5%. That is more than 13 times the national average savings rate. Let that sink in. Most people never make the switch. And it costs them money every year. Shocking fact number 1. The average person leaves $200 to $500 or more on the table every single year. All because they stay with their traditional bank. Let me show you the difference. A big bank savings account at 0.38% turns $10,000 into about $10,038 after 1 year. But its real purchasing power drops significantly. And now compare that to a high-yield savings account. At 5%, your $10,000 grows to about $10,500. Even after inflation, you keep more of your buying power. That's a massive difference. Your money can work harder while you sleep. You do not need to trade stocks, you do not need to take huge risks, you simply put your cash in a smarter place. This is not a theory. These rates are available right now. But so let me ask you something, why are you still settling for 0.38%? Alright. Here's the dead simple 3-step plan. No fluff. No complicated strategies. It takes about 15 minutes. Step 1. Wake up, log into your current bank account, check your savings account interest rate, look at the number carefully. If it's below 3.5% to 4%, you're falling behind. Most traditional banks pay much less than that. That means your money is working harder for the bank than for you. Step 2. Shop smart. Open a high-yield savings account, look for FDIC insurance, look for no monthly fees, look for easy transfers, look for a good mobile app. Compare a few options. It only takes about 5 minutes. Think about it this way, your current bank is like an old flip phone. A high-yield savings account is like the latest smartphone. Both can do the basics, but one is far more powerful and much more efficient. Same safety, better performance. Step 3. Move the money. Transfer your savings into the new account. It's usually a simple online process. Then set up automatic transfers. Let the system do the work for you. Once it's set up, you're done. Your savings start earning more automatically. Keep your money liquid. This is for your emergency fund, this is for short-term cash, this is not your long-term investment strategy. The goal is simple. Earn more while keeping access to your money.no paperwork nightmare.no confusing process.no unnecessary risk. Just better rates, more growth, more control. More money staying in your pocket. Imagine this point 1 year from now, your savings are no longer losing value, instead, they're earning real money for you. You've got an extra $400 to $600 or more in your pocket, and you didn't work extra hours to get it, you simply made a smarter choice. Now think bigger, what happens over 5 years? That extra money keeps stacking up, interest earns interest. Your savings start building momentum. That's when it becomes real money, real financial breathing room. More freedom, more options, more peace of mind. Your future self will thank you. Prices may keep rising, but your account keeps growing too. That's the difference. Here's your challenge for today. Open your banking app right now, check your savings account rate. Don't guess, look at the actual number. If the rate is terrible, do something about it. Start the switch before you go to bed tonight. It takes about 10 minutes. That's it. 10 minutes that could put hundreds of extra dollars in your pocket every year. Now I'm curious, drop your current savings rate in the comments. I read the comments, let's see what banks are really paying people out there. Some of these numbers might shock us. And if this video opened your eyes, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to see it, help them stop losing money too. More money saving videos are on the way. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and don't miss the next one. Because every dollar matters, and every percentage point counts. Your money deserves to grow. Stop letting inflation win. Stop settling for bad rates. Start making your money work for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.